Welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I am bringing you another amazing recipe, and it is amazing but also so simple to make, and that is hot water cornbread. So of course I'm using the Cotton Creations cornbread mix, and what I'm going to do is just boil some water until it's very hot, and then I'm going to add that to the mix. Now the key to this recipe is the consistency of the batter. So you want to definitely make sure that you have the right consistency, and I'll show you in a second what it should be. This is what it should be like, okay? So a little bit sticky, not dry, and not too loose and wet, okay? So that's the key. So I'm going to use a cast iron skillet to cook these in today, and I'm just going to heat up some oil, a pretty fair, generous amount. They don't need to be like deep fried, so they don't have to be all the way covered, but you definitely want to make sure it's a good amount. And while that oil is warming up, I'm just going to go ahead and do my honey butter glaze right now. So I melted some vegan butter, and I'm adding some vegan honey to it and just mixing those together. And I'm going to set that aside so we can go ahead and fry up the hot water cornbread. So once your oil comes up to temp, you want to go ahead and drop these in. I'm using a measuring spoon. I think this is a 1/4 cup measuring spoon that I'm using to kind of make sure I don't overfill these or do them too big. So I fill the measuring spoon up about about not a full cup, but not quite a half, maybe 3/4 of the way. So yeah, you want to go ahead and cook these until they're golden brown on both sides, and that usually only takes like 1 minute, 2 at the most. And then once they're done, you can go ahead and take them out, put them on a cooling rack, or you can put them on a plate with some paper towels and let those cool down a little bit, and some of that oil to get absorbed in the paper towel. And you just want to continue to repeat this until all of your batter has been fried. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and take that honey butter drizzle that I did earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and drizzle that on top. Now, let me tell you, these are like a cross between having a cornbread, corn muffin, funnel cake, pancake. It's weird. Like, I was getting a little bit of all of those things in this one thing. So let me know down in the comment section down below if you've ever had hot water cornbread. If not, would you try it? If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more amazing recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I got the recipe for you down in the description box down below, so check it out. Until next time, see y'all later.